Hey, would you like to meet sometime this week to discuss the project? Yeah, I'll touch base with you later today to schedule a meeting. Yeah. Touch base. Wait. I don't play baseball. Baseball? I never mentioned anything about baseball.
Hey, this is Hannah, your English confidence coach. Touch base means to contact or reconnect with someone. She means I'll contact you later today to schedule a meeting.
Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh, never mind. I'll talk to you later then. Thank you so much. Yeah, for sure. No problem. I'll see you then. And you should take more of Hannah's classes so that you can know these common phrases. Comment. Who are you going to touch base with? Hey, did you get the package I sent you? Yeah, it came in yesterday with your name on it, so I didn't open it. What is it? Go and open it. Alright, give me a sec. 1 second, alright? Oh, ooh. You came in clutch. Come in clutch? What? Yeah, thanks so much. Oh my gosh. You gotta go take some more Hannah's classes because you gotta keep up with my slang. Hannah? Who's Hannah?
Hey, it's me, Hannah, your English confidence coach. Come in clutch means to do something at the perfect moment.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so I'm so glad that you like it. Who are you gonna come in clutch for? Tag them in the comments. Okay, what?
BTW means by the way, NGL means not gonna lie.
Fire? My pasta didn't burn though. Whim. What?
WYM means what do you mean? And fire means that it's really good.
Okay. Okay, never mind. Thank you so much.
Wait. Don't do that. Put TYSM instead of thank you so much.
Alright, TYSM. Thank you. Hey, what do I say if I need to leave?
GDG means gotta go, and CYA means see ya.
Okay, I gotta go. See ya. Woo. What other texting slang do you know? Put it in the comments. Hey, what's up? I got a quick question for you. Why do Americans like to hit things? What do you mean? Yeah, I just left Hannah's class and she just taught me a bunch of phrases that start with hit. Alright, show me. Hit the sack. That hit close to home. Hit the books. And hit the road. Wow, you really hit the ground running with those classes. Nice. Hit the ground running? Okay, you guys gotta help me out in the comments. What does this mean? What do you think? Hey, guess what? What? I hit the ground running. Have you ever figured out what that actually means? You told me to take Hannah's class, and I immediately got started. Oh wow, that's right. Good job. Oh, I'm not done. My boss told me to get started with the project. I hit the ground running. My brother and I wanted to start getting healthier. We hit the ground running. But I have a question for you. Have you hit the ground running with finding new clothes to wear for once? Wait, how did you know? Wait. Oh, God. What's something that you hit the ground running with? Let us know in the comments. Hey, do you want to come to that new restaurant in the corner with me? Yeah, I'm down. You're down? Did you fall? No, I mean I'm up for it. Up for it? Wait, so first you're down, then you're up? Hannah, please help this woman.
Both of these phrases mean that you're ready to do something with someone.
Oh, thanks. Alright, so I'll see you at 6. What is something that you're down to do? Are you up for a nature walk? Comment below. Alright, class. Now this is gonna be a hard lesson. You need to pay attention, take notes, and get ready for questions. Alright? Alright, now let's dive in. Wait. Hey, what was that last phrase that she said? She said, let's dive in. Let's dive in? Let's dive in. Let me put on my swimming gear. Yo, what are you doing? That's not what she meant. Alright, teacher, I'm ready to go. Hannah, please help this woman. What?
Yeah, this is used when you're actually going to talk about the content you were introducing.
I got so excited. What's another situation you can use this phrase? Let me know in the comments. Oh my gosh, you won't believe what just happened. Hey, what's up, Laura? You alright? Yeah, I'm good. I just lost a lot of money in Bitcoin. Ah, man, I feel for you. Yeah, now I have to be super careful with what I spend my money on, and that's super challenging for me. Yeah, I feel you. Wait, I feel you? I feel for you? Huh? Confidence Coach Hannah.
I feel you is when you also feel what the person is feeling. I feel for you is when you understand the person's feeling.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thanks, Maya. And thanks, Confidence Coach. Budgeting is not easy. Do you feel me? Let me know in the comments. Hey, did you ever find out what happened to Laura? I seldom talk to Laura these days. Why do you sound so formal? We're friends, relax. Wait, what do you mean? You can change seldom to hardly ever, and you'll sound more casual. Oh, thank you. Oh, don't say that either. Say, I appreciate you instead. Americans say that to sound more friendly. Wow, how do you know all of this? Laura's the one who usually shares it with me after she goes to Hannah's sessions. She seems like a pretty good teacher. Yes, I agree. Ooh, too formal. Say, for sure instead. Wow, I really need to work on sounding less academic. What are some other ways that you can sound more casual? Let me know in the comments.
Are you hungry for more English?